5 Best Phone Holder for Motorcycle. Here is the product number 5. Universal Motorcycle Bicycle Phone Holder. 4 corner arms shrink and catch your phone automatically when put phone on and press the center button. Anytime when you want to take off the phone, press the release bars to unlock. One-hand operation, easy to use. Compatible with mountain bike and road bike. Can rotate 360 degrees, guarantees your phone to display at any angle and most appropriate position that suits your preference. Here is the product number 4. Untoom Bike Phone Holder. Brand name, Untoom. Compatible brand, Universal. Model number, C040. Material, ABS. Mounting diameter, up to 27 mm. Color, black, red. Material, ABS plus silicone. Compatible with phone width up to 80 mm. Feature motorcycle handlebar mount. Here is the product number 3. Motorcycle Telephone Holder Support Moto Bicycle. Brand name, Untoom. Compatible brand, Universal. Model number, C035CUs. Motorcycle material, ABS. Feature 1, motorcycle telephone holder, motorcycle rear view mirror stand, waterproof motorcycle phone holder, moto phone holder, scooter phone holder stand, mobile motorcycle stand, mobile phone holder motorcycle cell phone holder support. Here is the product number 2. For iPhone Samsung Motorcycle Mobile Cell Phone Holder. Name, Raxfly Durable Bike Motorcycle Phone Holder. Color, black. Type, Bike Phone Holder plus Motorcycle Phone Holder. Model, Universal. For 4 6.5-inch devices. Model, for iPhone 8 Plus XR XXS. Model, for Samsung S10, S9, S8 Plus, Galaxy Note 8, 9, S7, S6. Compatible, for motorcycle phone holder. Here is the product number 1. Phone holder, Universal Bike Motorcycle Handlebar Clip. Brand, Untoom. Material, aluminum alloy. Color, black, silver, red. For 3.5-inch to 6.5-inch mobile phone. Fit handlebar sizes, from 22.2 mm to 31.8 mm. Applicable, bicycle, mountain bike, road bike, motorcycle, scooter, strollers, treadmill and shopping carts.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.